Can 5-second trade make profit? So today we will see whether the 5-second strategy really works or is there too much risky in it. So in this we will take 18 trades of small amount and we will see how many of them win and how many lose. So we will set the fixed amount like I set $30 here, and I will trade here based on my candle analysis and Bollinger Bands. So let's start now. So here we took a total of 18 trades. Out of that we have won 10 trades and lost 8 trades, and the currency we selected has got 84% return. So after putting in so much time and working so hard, our total profit is $12.